As a professional technician, speed and efficiency matter. When you're diagnosing multiple vehicles a day, small delays add up quickly. Hi, I'm Nate Fink, a Master Certified Technician of over 10 years. Recently, I had a chance to spend some time with Snap-on's new scan tool, the Apollo, and I'd like to share with you some features that really stood out to me on day-to-day use. I've worked with a lot of different diagnostic platforms over the years, and what I look for isn't just capability, it's workflow. How fast can I get in, get information, and make a confident repair decision? The first thing I noticed is the speed. Boot up time is nearly instant. From full power off, the tool is ready to work very quickly, significantly faster than many comparable platforms. Navigation between screens is smooth and responsive. There's no lag jumping between modules or applications. When you're moving from vehicle to vehicle, that responsiveness makes a real difference. This tool is streamlined. It's designed to get you working immediately. Apollo uses a wireless Bluetooth OBD2 interface. Now that's not brand new technology, but it's a feature I really appreciate. No bulky J-box, no cables to trip over when you're getting in and out of the vehicle, just a clean workspace. I really like how the vehicle is identified the second you plug the OBD2 interface in. There's no waiting for apps to load, there's no manually scanning for a vehicle. You plug it in and the tool's ready to get to work. It's fast and efficient. Performing a complete system code scan with Apollo is comprehensive. The report includes current, pending, and permanent codes, along with complete and incomplete readiness monitors. Best practice is to perform full system scans before and after repairs, and having readiness monitors integrated into that same report is extremely useful. It gives you a clear snapshot of vehicle status all in one place. It supports proper documentation and reinforces a thorough diagnostic process. When you scan a fault code, you can tap into it, which opens a FastTrack landing page specific to that vehicle and that code. This page includes commonly replaced components, TSBs, testing data, and functional tests, all filtered to what's relevant. Instead of jumping between service information systems and different modules, everything you need to make a repair decision is right there. Knowledge is power in diagnostics. Snap-on puts that information right at your fingertips. The service and maintenance functions are also laid out very efficiently. Instead of hunting through individual control modules, entering the module, scrolling and searching for the functional test you need, Snap-on provides shortcut access to common post-service functions. For example, after a wheel alignment, you can quickly access the steering angle reset without digging through menus. It also provides related component information and TSBs alongside those services. It saves time and reduces the chance of missing something important. The control module layout is something I haven't seen structured quite like this before, and I do really like it. Instead of listing modules strictly alphabetically or by the network they're on, they're organized into intuitive categories. For example, steering and suspension includes brake and power steering modules. This is helpful because manufacturers don't always name modules intuitively. If you don't know the exact title the OE assigned, finding it on other platforms can be frustrating. This layout makes locating modules faster and more logical. On many other platforms, the service interval reset function's location can vary wildly. On Snap-on Apollo, it's always in the same place. Consistency makes life easier, especially when working across multiple makes. There's also a dedicated maintenance information section that includes oil quantity, viscosity, and manufacturer-specific oil specifications. With the growing number of viscosity grades and manufacturer approvals, having that information immediately accessible is extremely valuable. It also includes TPMS reset procedures and wheel torque specifications. No hunting through service manuals, all the information's right there. I also really like the side pane navigation feature. It allows you to jump between module communication screens and maintenance communication without completely backing out of the module. You can multitask within the tool, which keeps workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Finally, the Apollo has an externally serviceable lithium battery. Lithium batteries are wear items. being able to replace the battery without sending the unit out for service minimizes downtime. In a professional shop environment, less downtime always wins. Overall, what stands out most about this tool is just how streamlined it is. It's not just about having diagnostic capability. It's about how quickly and logically you can access that capability. From startup speed to wireless operation to intelligent organization and integrated service information, it's clearly designed with working technicians in mind. If efficiency, documentation, and workflow matter to you, this is a platform worth looking at.